Let's suppose that you were able every night to dream any dream you wanted to dream. And that you could, for example, have the power within one night to dream 75 years of time. Or any length of time you wanted to have. And you would naturally, as you began on this adventure of dreams, you would fulfill all your wishes. You would have every kind of pleasure, see. And after several nights of 75 years of total pleasure each, you would say, oh, that was pretty great. But now let's have a surprise. Let's have a dream which is done.
I know some days we question if we're worth it, 'cause we keep on searching for what's picture perfect. But I know reality of love is hurting. You know it's worth it when you keep on working. Yeah, tonight's the night when I'm choosing my battles, taking a step back, ask if this really matters. I know you're angry, but it's time I say this, 'cause said that we loved each other, I know that wasn't true. It's just what teenagers do, ignoring the future, always pretending that you were something I'd never lose. It's just what teenagers do. Had your hand out the window, yeah, I swore I'd never let go. When we left San Francisco, that all changed. Now I think about the weather, that July we spent together, as I'm in Seattle watching the rain. And just thinking, never mind, I wish you were never mine. 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 Waste our time fighting over stupid shit all night. So you would just say we're sorry and get back to the party, pretend we're alright, and dance till we're never mind. And keep fighting over stupid shit that lasts all night. So can we just say we're sorry and get back to the party, alright, and just dance all night. And just dance all night. Fighting over stupid shit all night. So can we just say we're sorry and get back to the party, pretend we're alright, and just dance all night.
I just wanna take